may personal preparations po ba kayo kung sakaling dumating po dito yung impeachment?
Hindi man ako nag-prepare.
Opo.
Hindi ako nag-prepare.
Pero bakit? O,
Hindi, ganun ako eh. Ganun ako. Basta kung ano yung dumating, darating. Ano ha?
SP, anong preparations ang dapat na ginagawa ng Senate ngayon knowing na pagbobotohan na po yung impeachment sa Kamara po?
Well, first of all, kahit nung araw na Senate President ako, bago mag-resume ang sessions, I usually call for all Senator caucus to discuss the possible agenda that we may be able to pass. Sa LEDAC and then more so now, dahil there is a possibility that the articles of impeachment might be transmitted by the House. Pero as of now, everything is speculative. If ever. Diba? So what we will be doing in this caucus will be to, discuss the agenda for the next month. And the last month of the first regular session of the 20th Congress. And then the possibility of receiving the articles of impeachment, then we will discuss the possibility of what preparation should be done. And the timetable.
Yes.
Yun ang crucial eh. As of now, the crucial is timetable. So again, everything will rely on whether the articles of impeachment will be transmitted to us or not.
Gaano po kahalaga na handa ang Senado if ever iakyat yung articles of impeachment at kailangan nyo mag-convene na?
Napakahalagang nakahanda kami because the country, our countrymen are looking at this very seriously. Minumonitor nila yung sa House, di ba? So they will expect us to do our job once we receive it. Pero again, once we receive it.
May pressure
ba tayo?
May pressure ba sa inyo, sir? Especially VP Sara ito, kilalang personalidad ito, Vice President itong ini-impeach.
Dapat ang mentality namin hindi ganyan. Dapat ang mentality namin, we have to do our job. We have to be impartial. Kahit sino pa yung ipapadala sa amin na articles of impeachment, we have to read, we have to look at it at a very impartial attitude. So, wala lahat dapat isipin gano'n.
Sir, pero kasi ano po yung possible timeline? Kasi ang sabi po ni Chair Luistro ay May 11 daw possible magbotohan yung House and Plenary.
Ganun pa. Kasi nung ang balita ko nung una was when they resume on Monday, they'll discuss it already. So kung May 11 yan, that means
May 11 is a Monday.
May 11 pa lang nila bobotohan eh. So I cannot answer your question.
But sabi nyo crucial the timetable. Why?
O syempre, kasi may break eh. The Senate, the legislative body, will be on break by June 5. So that will be both houses of Congress. But then again, the impeachment court is different from the Senate. So, kailangan pag-usapan namin yung timetable.
But if the
Just in case. Pero again, ayoko nang, kasi lahat yan speculative eh. Hintayin muna natin yung articles of impeachment if they pass it and they will transmit. Then we discuss everything else.
But if there is a need to convene the impeachment court, it should happen hanggang June 5 lang habang nasa session kayo. Tama po ba?
Hindi. We can extend. Depende sa Senate.
Just to convene,
Hindi.
you can extend.
The impeachment court can extend.
The impeachment
Not the
court.
Senate.
No, the convening SP. The
Convening kung May 11 na tanggap, let's say, pinasa nila.
Yeah.
Yun ang ayoko kasi pag-usapan.
If ever lang,
speculative eh. O, sige,
speculative.
if ever, pinasa nila 11. O, di 12. Transmit nila. O, di dapat 13. We will discuss it already and convene as an impeachment court.
Pero hindi kailangan na nakasession bago mag-convene yung impeachment court. Kailangan in session yung legislative.
Hindi, kailangan yung Senate in session para tanggapin. Para tanggapin.
Do you have enough budget for the impeachment, sir?
Yes, I think so.
You have enough budget for it?
Meron naman. Meron kasing budget last year eh. Na hinalat sila eh.
27, sir.
Gano'n ba kagastos, sir, ang
tingin ko,
impeachment?
hindi, dito, ang tansya namin, mga 12.6 ganun na naman.
Thank you, SP. Dapat lahat ng preparations ng Senate ngayon?
Ngayon, of course, siguro logistics, tapos kung ano yung setup and everything. Pag-uusapan namin sa caucus actually. Kaya kami pa ba?
Yung focus was triggered by what happened in the House yesterday.
No, nakaschedule ito several days ago pa. Just in case na ma-transmit dito, at least naka-ready.
How important it is, sir, na makapag-ready na yung Senate for the possible convening of
Importante kasi hindi naman lahat kami may experience sa impeachment trial. No? Mabibilang mo yung naka-experience na ako once kay Chief Justice Corona, si SP twice or 3 times na yata kasi pati kay President Erap.
How are you preparing, sir?
Ako, parang si SP rin. Merong crash course sa rules of court. Mamaya actually, nag-invite ako ng isang judge to brief me kung ano yung pati yung compilation of evidence. Yeah. Although, one of 24 senator judges lang ako. Si SP talaga yung on the spot. Kasi merong yung kailangan mag-rule siya immediately.
Correct.
To sa mga objections, di ba?
Yes.
Ng both defense or prosecution panels na whether to sustain or overrule yung mga objections. So,
Downside ba or mas mahirap ba sa mga senators na hindi lawyer yung impeachment trial?
siyempre, may disadvantage. Iba yung lawyers, may experience sila sa litigation, may experience sa court proceedings. So, lamang talaga yung mga lawyers.
Oo.
Ang problema, kakaunti yung lawyers namin dito.
Sir, kahapon hindi binuksan yung box na galing sa BIR. Sabi sa Senate na lang daw. Is that something na
Rightly so, kasi I heard former BIR Commissioner Enares, merong provision sa NIRC na sinasabi niya, only with the authority, written authority by the President na pwedeng mag-divulge ng mga ITRs ang BIR. So, kailangan po ninyo.
Sinasabi ng kampo ni VP Sara, dito siya haharap. Ito yung tamang venue. Tama, you think, sir, dito talaga siya dapat humarap, if
Well,
ever?
that's her call. Even in the Senate, although yung impeachment trial court may compel her to attend, pero pwede niyang i-waive yung kanyang appearance.
Sir, konti lang on calendar. Kasi 1 month lang kayo, sir, magsisession eh. Paano possible
Wala,
na...
tuloy-tuloy yun. Separate naman yung impeachment trial sa session.
So,
So yung CNDA adjournment will not in any way affect the schedule of the impeachment trial.
So even if June, July, you can
Trial.
go on with the
Kasama sa
trial.
pag-usapan.
Sir, isa na lang. Yung schedule lang, sir, ng trial, anong possible? Monday to Thursday?
One of the options, yung napag-usapan namin last time, na MWF, para tuloy-tuloy din yung session namin.
Pero sir, kung ano yun, kung may regular session, paano kung halimbawa sinedye?
Pag-usapan pa rin yun, pwede mag-daily.
Sir, isa na lang. May spokesperson po kayong itatalaga for impeachment
Kasama sa
court.
pag-usapan. So far, wala pa.